Number 1. 1973 Harley-Davidson Sportster 1000, $3,200, Greenwich, Connecticut. This 1973 Harley-Davidson Sportster Ironhead XLH 1000 is a clean and honest example of one of Harley's most recognizable vintage motorcycles. Finished in red, this classic Ironhead has reportedly been owned by the current seller for several years and used primarily as a dependable backroad cruiser. The Sportster lineup became famous for its compact V-twin design, strong low-end character, and unmistakable American styling that continues to appeal to vintage Harley enthusiasts today. According to the seller, the bike runs and rides strong while benefiting from regular maintenance and careful ownership throughout the years. It also features electric start and may include mild engine work, possibly including upgraded cams, although the setup is not confirmed to be completely stock. With its rider-friendly nature and classic Ironhead personality, this Sportster offers an affordable entry into vintage Harley-Davidson ownership. Number 2. 1971 BSA Thunderbolt, $5,850, Bethel Park, Pennsylvania. The 1971 BSA Thunderbolt represents the final years of Britain's classic parallel twin era, combining traditional styling with the smooth and relaxed riding character that made these motorcycles popular in their day. Finished in red and described as cosmetically original, this example has reportedly undergone a full mechanical restoration, including a frame-off process. The seller notes that all restoration receipts are available, adding confidence and documentation to the package. Just as importantly, the motorcycle is described as needing nothing mechanically, making it especially appealing for buyers who want a ready-to-enjoy classic. Number 3. 1972 Norton 750 Commando Roadster, $5,750, Valley City, Ohio. This 1972 Norton 750 Commando Roadster is a long-term ownership motorcycle, having remained with the same owner since it was purchased new in Ohio in 1972. Finished in blue and showing just over 37,000 miles, it has been regularly cared for and ridden throughout its life. The Norton Commando became one of the most respected British motorcycles thanks to its strong performance and ice-elastic frame system designed to improve comfort. This example features the optional combat engine package, offering increased compression and horsepower over standard versions. It was refurbished around 2019 and received multiple upgrades to improve usability and reliability. Number 4. 1977 Triumph Bonneville, $7,500, Wildwood, New Jersey. This 1977 Triumph Bonneville has been transformed into an award-winning tribute to the 1955 Triumph Speed Twin, blending classic styling with a later Bonneville platform. Finished in burgundy, it reflects Triumph's timeless design language while maintaining usable modern reliability. The sail includes a trailer, spare tire, and front-wheel cradle, making it especially suitable for shows, rallies, or transport use. Number 5. 1976 Kawasaki KZ400, $1,850, Amherst, Virginia. The 1976 Kawasaki KZ400 is a lightweight and approachable vintage motorcycle that helped introduce many riders to Japanese motorcycles in the 1970s. Finished in burgundy and showing 11,854 miles, it delivers simple, dependable performance. According to the seller, it has received a full service including oil change, brake fluid, spark plugs, carburetor cleaning, and a new battery. It also features both electric and kickstart capability and good tires, making it ready to ride. Number 6. 1974 Triumph Trident T150, $5,800, Dover, Delaware. This 1974 Triumph Trident is a very nice, unrestored example of Triumph's legendary three-cylinder motorcycle. Finished in black with original paint, it retains strong originality while benefiting from upgrades such as Tri-Spark electronic ignition, Mikuni carburetors, and serviced forks. The Trident is known for its smooth power delivery and distinctive triple-cylinder sound, and this example remains a strong rider with classic British character. Number 7. 1982 Honda Goldwing GL 1100, $2,400, Gordonsville, Virginia. The 1982 Honda Goldwing GL 1100 is a classic touring motorcycle known for comfort and reliability. Finished in black with 46,675 miles, it remains in good condition and runs well. It includes original luggage boxes, trunk, mounting frame, and hardware, making it a complete touring package. The flat-4 engine provides smooth highway performance, making it a strong value vintage touring bike. Number 8. 1985 Harley-Davidson FXEF Super Glide Fat Bob for $1,200, Killingworth, Connecticut. This 1985 FXEF Super Glide Fat Bob marks an important transition in Harley history, featuring the first Evolution engine while retaining the 4-speed transmission and chain drive. Finished in custom purple, it was purchased from the original owner in 1987 and later stored in 2006. It has been carefully maintained during storage and shows just over 20,000 miles. Number 9. 1983 Suzuki SP-125, $1,600, Plymouth, Massachusetts. The 1983 Suzuki SP-125 is a lightweight dual-sport motorcycle designed for street and trail use. Finished in red with only 2,149 miles, it remains in excellent condition. It runs well, is enjoyable on backroads and trails, and includes a title. Aside from a possible battery replacement, it is ready to ride. Number 10. 1970 Triumph Bonneville T120R, $7,000, Stafford Springs, Connecticut. This 1970 Triumph Bonneville T120R is a classic British twin finished in green with matching numbers. It features electronic ignition for improved reliability and runs well. The Bonneville remains one of Triumph's most iconic models, known for its balance of performance and classic styling. Number 11. 1974 Kawasaki KZ400, $3,500, Wappingers Falls, New York. This 1974 Kawasaki KZ400 is a well-preserved example, showing 8,662 miles. Finished in red with chrome details, it retains its original styling elements and remains a complete, functional motorcycle. It features electric lighting and signals and continues to be a popular entry-level vintage Japanese bike. Number 12. 1964 Triumph T90, $6,500, Putnam, Connecticut. The 1964 Triumph T90 is a rare lightweight British twin with classic early 1960s styling. Finished in beige with 13,319 miles, it remains largely original and was last run and properly stored less than 2 years ago. It is increasingly rare in the US and offers strong collector appeal. Number 13. 1979 Suzuki GS850, $2,700, Dumont, New Jersey. This 1979 Suzuki GS850 is a 4-cylinder touring motorcycle known for smooth power and reliability. Showing 25,000 miles, it has received extensive maintenance including carburetor rebuilds, brake work, clutch parts, stainless lines, and a new seat cover. It is a strong, usable vintage touring bike. Number 14. 1957 Harley-Davidson Panhead, $12,500, Ravenna, Ohio. This 1957 Panhead has long-term family ownership dating back to 1969. It retains much of its original frame, sheet metal, and components. It runs and rides, and includes replacement SNS cases and STD heads after original case damage. It remains a highly original rider-quality Panhead with deep history. Number 15. 1974 Yamaha TX500, $900, Sanford, Maine. The 1974 Yamaha TX500 is a vintage twin-cylinder motorcycle showing around 13,000 miles. It has received several replacement parts and recent service including brakes, master cylinder, condenser, battery, spark plugs, mirrors, and carb cleaning. It attempts to start but does not stay running, likely needing points adjustment, making it a budget-friendly restoration project.